Hi, I'm Angela Teresa.
Did you know that learning American Sign Language can open doors you never knew existed? Yeah. From career growth to personal fulfillment, ASL is a skill that truly sets you apart.
Hi, this is one of my students.
And in this video, I'm sharing how my 12-week ASL course can make a difference in your life.
You enjoyed the classes? Yeah.
This is how ASL can transform your life. Career advancement. Whether you're a realtor, teacher, nurse, or business owner, knowing ASL helps you connect with deaf clients and colleagues. Creating trust and new opportunities. You can expand your network. You're going to be able to communicate with the deaf community. It opens the doors to friendships, collaboration.
How many weeks have you been taking it?
And understanding a culture you may not have experienced before. Undoubtedly, you could and probably will.
And what's that crawling behind you? On a shelf, and now it's on you? What is that?
Yes.
You know how to sign that one.
And you could start out in any field. Employers value inclusivity, and ASL proficiency is a unique skill that can put you apart during interviews and promotions. Yeah. Definitely.
Does this one have a name? Ah, he's a monkey. Yeah.
It's helped me get employment when I was a tour guide for City Sites, New York City. I was the only tour guide licensed in New York that knew ASL. When there was a deaf group, they used to call me because I was the only one who could really service them. After 12 weeks, you'll be pretty good, actually. Really help somebody in a lot of ways. Well, you can, and you will. Are you ready to invest in yourself and your future? Join me in this ASL class and discover how learning this language can transform your life and your friendships. Just contact me on my email, and let's get you started. You ready? Classes start very soon.